Hello everyone, in today's video we're talking about how to factor in depreciation when valuing software assets, so let's get started. 1. Understanding software depreciation. Software, unlike physical assets, loses value over time due to technological advancements and user needs, which is allocated through depreciation. 2. Different depreciation methods. The straight line method distributes software depreciation evenly over its useful life. Accelerated methods front loads more depreciation in the early years due to faster technology obsolescence. 3. Identifying useful life. The useful life of software is crucial, influenced by technological advancements and industry standards. Its role within an organization requires a realistic estimate for accurate depreciation calculations. 4. Impact on valuation. Depreciation significantly impacts software asset value, causing a decrease in book value. Recognizing and incorporating depreciation helps stakeholders assess the asset's current worth. 5. Updating valuations. Regularly updating software valuations to reflect technological advancements and changes in the software landscape are crucial for their relevance and actionability. Factoring in depreciation when valuing software assets is crucial for financial professionals, enabling informed planning, budgeting, and strategic decision-making. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos and information.